Testing, testing, testing. Hi there, guys. My name is Rohan, and today we are going to be talking about carbon footprints. Today we're going to be talking about what are carbon footprints, what do they do, and all that stuff, right? What they are, and how do we stop them? Okay. So let's say this is you, okay? And I'm pretty sure you know this thing called climate change. And you've seen many posters or stuff on the internet about how to stop climate change, right? And maybe once in a while you might see a few signs saying, reduce your carbon footprints. But have you ever wondered, what is carbon footprints? What is it? So in today's video, we're going to be talking about that. So what are they? So, a carbon footprint is a mark that you leave on the environment. And no, it's not literally like a shoe. What it is the mark being every action when you release some carbon chemical. For example, CO2, right? Anytime you release such gases as that, it leaves a carbon footprint. Okay. Now, like for example, anything that can be boosted up with this. For example, lighting a matchstick, oil, petrol, and stuff like that. Fossil fuels. Okay. Now, the more we use such of these items, when we use them, we get a bigger carbon footprint. Okay. And now we know what kind of a carbon footprint is. Let's look at an example. Let's say we have your car, right? And when you think of how much carbon it produces, you might only think, oh, it's just maybe the exhaust, right? It's just shooting out all the gases and stuff, right? But then what about the fuel that's fueling the car? Well, it had to come from fuel mines, which cause a lot of pollution, which had to go through a bunch of cargo, right? Had to go through all that shipment, causing even more pollution. Then we're not having to go to a refinery, which causes even more pollution, and has to go through shipment, which causes even more pollution just to get even here. And not only that, the manufacturing of the car itself also causes a lot of pollution. Now, that's a lot of pollution just for one thing. So what that teaches us is that it doesn't matter, but everything you own has a carbon footprint. Okay? Just from let's say a book, right? It has to be printed and distributed somewhere, right? Which uses up energy. Or maybe just cleaning your teeth, like a toothbrush or toothpaste, right? They had to come from factories, which also use energy, right? Those also cause a lot of carbon footprints. Hell, even a simple goddamn apple could have a carbon footprint right on it. Mostly maybe because of the shipping that had to go just to get to your local grocery market, right? That's also a way on how carbon footprint could get there, right? So how do we resolve carbon footprints? Well, sure, we can't, stop them, right? And it's okay if you try to reduce them, because try to reduce as much as your carbon footprints can. Think of every action and choice that actually matters, that can help benefit stopping carbon footprints, okay? And this is the best way to stop climate change, okay? That's basically what carbon footprints are. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video and hope to see you next time. Bye bye.